Natural deodorants suck. They fail at the worst possible time, making this donkey smell better than you. Or they make your armpits feel like they're on fire. We've all heard these horror stories before, but aren't you tired of using deodorants that are filled with aluminum, parabens, and other chemicals? Well, that's why our small team at Natural Rapids faced blistering colds, scorching deserts, and pleasant jogs through the mountains, all so we could create a deodorant that's made from natural and organic ingredients that actually works. But it gets better. We also managed to make it aluminum-free, baking soda-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and cruelty-free. The tea tree and lavender scent smells amazing on both women and men. The Natural Rapids deodorant uses only the purest ingredients, and each stick is made right here in the USA. So if you're tired of natural deodorants that fail at the worst possible time and make your armpits feel like they're on fire, this is the last deodorant you'll ever need to get. Give us a try. We would really appreciate your support. Order the Natural Rapids deodorant today, available on Amazon.